Hey guys, Dr. Justin here with 2 Minute Tuesday Take 2. So we don't usually do two videos, but this time we did because we forgot to put the microphone on and it was pretty quiet. And if you can imagine me being quiet, it's probably rare. This week's supplement sale week. Tomorrow, 20% off all of our products, both online and in the office. We're promoting heavily this time of year immune support because let's be honest, we're seeing a lot of people with colds and flus. Your kids are bringing things home. Everybody seems to have something going through their houses. And a great way to not only stay healthy, but also combat sickness and disease within your family is to make sure that our immune system is really strong. And what we have is Fruits and Greens Immune Support. This has a number of different products within it that help boost the immune system, such as elderberry, which we sell as well in a bottle to take as a spoonful. But we'll be sampling both the passion fruit and the mango tomorrow, all day long here at the front with the girls. Just take a little cup, take a shot, see what you think. Great way to boost your immune system. The other great way is to make sure your gut's nice and healthy. So one, eating really good quality foods, staying away from processed foods, things that are in bags, things you get from fast foods or windows. Food you want to eat is stuff that God made, the stuff you cook at home, the stuff you prepare for yourself. So really focusing on gut health is a big part of it, focusing on your immune supports, because 80% of your immune system is within your gut. Two great ways to do that is making sure that we have good bacteria in our guts. Everybody's heard of a probiotic. Many of you may be taking it. But then also the other product is a prebiotic. This is what the bacteria in your digestive system eat, is the prebiotic. Me, I like to take a scoop of this, throw it in my immune support, add in some collagen, add in some hydrate, whatever you want. Drink one every single day. And sometimes I drink two because they taste so dang good. So reality is, let's get a healthy gut. Let's get a healthy immune system. We're going to have those available for you tomorrow. November's coming up. You know what that means. You got it. Ladies' Day. We have that going on November 23rd, same weekend as Wisconsin Deer Opener. For all you wives out there, come on in. We have 11 or 12 different vendors that we have confirmed. Really excited to showcase them. We may or may not be doing workouts. That is a topic of discussion. If you want, comment below. If you're like, workouts, let's do them, I can make them happen. I know a guy that's in charge around here, or a gal if you guys have met Christy. But the reality is we want to serve you guys, and there may or may not be also some deals coming. Our Christmas sales may be launched during that weekend. If you've been here before, show up and you will find out. So keep eating healthy. Let's get our immune systems healthy. Let's bump things up, and we'll see you guys soon.